Today we are going to make strawberry banana smoothie, and the ingredients are 1 banana, 5 strawberries, 2 tablespoon walnuts, 2 dates, half cup yogurt, 5 almonds, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon flax seeds, 2 tablespoon walnuts, half of orange. And I'm going to put the ingredients in the description below. So cut the banana, cut the orange, clean the strawberries, and rest is very simple, and we have healthy and nutritious smoothie. You can take fresh strawberries, or you can use frozen. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C. We are going to add bananas, which is very nutritious. It is loaded with potassium. And I'm also going to add walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3, which is good for your skin, for your hair, for your eyes. And I have soaked almonds for 5 to 6 hours and peeled off the skin. So I'm going to add almonds. You can also add dry almonds if you like, but I'm making it for my baby, so I prefer to soak almonds. 1/4 teaspoon of flax seeds. You won't feel the taste of flax seeds in the smoothie, so it's really good to add flax seeds. 2 dates, which has iron, and also we don't need to add any artificial sweeteners because fruits and dates will make it enough sweet. To get a smooth texture, we are going to add half cup of yogurt. This is plain regular yogurt. And when I was making this smoothie, it was very cold here in Orlando, so I didn't add ice cubes. But if you want, you can add about half cup of ice cubes, half fresh orange. If the orange is small enough, you can add a whole orange. Just squeeze the juice or use the juice from the container, whatever you prefer. So you have all these healthy ingredients, and now we are just going to blend it to make a healthy, nutritious smoothie. So this will give a nice texture, and it's very quick to make. And our smoothie is ready, and let's try it out on my daughter.
बहुत अच्छा है। And tasty. Banana smoothie, strawberry smoothie, yeah. बहुत अच्छे है।